Do you have 2 cups of flour at your house? Then prepare this recipe and I'm sure it won't last anything. We'll use 1 egg, 120 grams of sugar, 25 milliliters of water, 80 milliliters of oil, and let's mix everything until it's all together. Then let's add the vanilla essence, the baking powder, and beat again. Now we are going to add the flour. Here we are using 2 cups of flour. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from, guys, so I can send you that special hug on the next video. Let's knead this dough to guarantee that all the ingredients are together, and then just make little balls like this. There's no mistake, guys. You don't even need to grease your hands because the dough is very light, okay? Let's repeat this process until it's all over. And this recipe, guys, is amazing. It goes just a few ingredients. It is ingredients that you have at your house, so you don't have to go to the supermarket, and super delicious. Let's put them all to fry, okay, in the oil. Not too hot to fry on the outside, but cook on the inside. If the oil is too hot, it will burn on the outside, okay, and it will be raw on the inside. So just go frying on one side and then turn it around. When you see that it's brown, you just have to take it out from the oil and put it on a paper towel to release the excess of the oil. It's a simple recipe but delicious. You can eat it with some butter or even with Nutella, for example, guys. Seriously, you're gonna love it. Use your creativity because it is delicious with anything. I'm gonna show you guys very closely from the inside so you can understand how fluffy it is. At this moment, you can put some sweet here or butter. Guys, it's giving me water in my mouth. It's an explosion of flavor. This recipe is very old, so if you knew it already, just tell me down here on the comments, okay? If you have something to add in this recipe, tell us down here to let it even more delicious, okay? Me, Victoria, would put some more sugar on top of it with cinnamon, okay? Just to sprinkle it and let it even more delicious. This was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked this recipe. Kisses and see ya!